When faced with danger, the YL Mainland Emergency Whistle can be your savior. This emergency survival whistle is packed with features that will come in handy in dire situations. With this, you'll get an emergency whistle, a compass, a thermometer, an LED signal light, a magnifying glass, and a reflector. All of these are packed inside a waterproof sealed warehouse. The sealed warehouse is a unique design that can be used to store personal information, allowing rescuers to identify you quickly. It is made of strong ABS material, making it fall and high temperature resistant. It also comes with a lanyard, which can be attached to your backpack, belt, or neck, making it easy to carry. To conclude, the YL Mainland is a multifunctional whistle that can be used to ask for help or scare away wild animals.